General Treatment Products video training series. We want to talk about setting up a paddle wheel sensor for flow. This machine will understand flow meters and understand flow sensors, which more like the C-metrics or the Signet flow sensor. So we're going to go to inputs. That would be on the input side coming into the machine. Right now, flow meter 2 or D2 is set up for a regular flow meter. We're going to change that to a contact or to a paddle wheel. So, like we were talking about before, mode or type at the bottom always tells the story. So we're going to come down here to contacting flow meter. We're going to pick it, go down to paddle wheel flow meter. Okay, it's going to change. You see everything change right there on us. We're going to hit the maintenance button. Low alarm is 0 gallons a minute, no flow. High alarm, if it ever goes 300 gallons a minute, depends on what size it is. Deadband, that's to shut on and off the alarms, 30 gallons a minute. Totalizer alarm, we're going to set that for 1,000 like we did the other one, and this is said that over 1,000 gallons, and we're going to set later for a schedule to reset it over 1,000 a month, give you an alarm. Reset flow total. I don't want to reset the flow total, but once it starts, it does totalize for you. You can reset that once a month. Set flow total. Schedule reset. I want to do it once a month. Once a month, go ahead and set it. I've set it at 1,000. I shouldn't do over 1,000. Here is your K factor. Your K factor is typically your pulses per. Your manufacturer should tell you what your K factor is, how many pulses you have per gallon. I'm going to show you how to change them. This one here is a 34.5. Okay, so 34.5. Again, the manufacturer's book will tell you what that K factor should be, and the K factor really is just a divider based on pulses per gallon. Flow units, right now gallons, you can make it say liters and cubic meters. Rate units, right now it says minutes, hours, days. You can make it say a lot of different things, but we want gallons per minute, gallons slash hours slash days. We wanted to say gallons per minute, what most people understand. Smoothing factor 50%, it does smooth it out for you because it does jump around a bit. The name of it is flow meter. You can leave it there. You can leave it as flow sensor. You can leave it as effluent. You can change that to whatever you want. Again, rolling up and down the pieces just makes it keep panning over and get to where you want. And type paddle wheel flow meter. A paddle wheel is set on D2.